Hi, this is FAQ number 3 with Ms. Hottie. This is going to be what are Ms. Hottie's basic rules. And now each of your teachers, Mr. Hammond, Ms. Rogerson, they're going to have their own set of rules. You're going to want to ask them their rules, but these are probably good rules for any class. So I'm going to go ahead and share them with you. And they apply whether we're online, in distance learning mode, or if we're at school. So the 3 basic rules that I have. Number 1, be positive. So that means, use encouraging and positive language. If you have a partner in class, if we happen to be in a real physical classroom, try to say positive words, try not to be negative, be careful with joking, because unless someone's very close to us, and we're not a professional comedian, sometimes jokes can hurt people, and people don't always understand that you're just trying to be funny. So really avoid jokes unless you really know someone well, especially if they're, jokes about that person. Celebrate people's strengths, especially your partners, and look for what's good about yourself and about others. Okay, so no negative language, even a word that you think is relatively innocent. You say the word scuba, but you say it in a mean way, then I'm going to go ahead and potentially lower your citizenship grade. So you can't say you're so scuba and mean it in a negative way. Try to be really positive with your language. Number 2, be prepared. So your work is completed or done ahead of time. So for example, if I ask you to read something, make sure you've read it ahead of class. You have some questions prepared. All of your necessary supplies are ready. So if we're in class, that means you have your book, your pen, your paper, everything's out, and come prepared with a can-do attitude. Number 3 is really important. This is the number 1 way you're going to have a positive experience in my class and on any class. Be on task. So be focused on the lesson. Don't be checking your phone. Don't be playing a game. Don't be passing your friend a note if we're in class. Be engaged and participating in whatever task your teacher is asking of you. So that means if I'm reading something, you're reading it too. So these are basic rules. I think they'll be easy to follow. And if we have these 3 rules, I think we won't need other rules. We're just positive, prepared, and on task. Thank you for watching video number 3 on basic rules.